How to fix start button doesn't work on Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix start button not working on Windows 10. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can fix it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to fix your start button not working on your Windows, there are certain processes that you need to follow up. In order to do that, first of all, open up your laptop. After opening up your laptop, you just need to hit Ctrl+R and type in the code that I'm showing on the screen. After typing in, you just need to type in the code and you just need to click on OK. After clicking on OK, you'll be taken to this another page where you'll be able to find registry editors. Just go on with the process, following the process. Go under HK current user Microsoft and go under Microsoft, and under Microsoft scroll down a bit until you are able to find the option called the registry called Windows, and under Windows you'll be able to find another registry. You're just gonna go on and search for the registry called Explorer, and under there you'll find advanced. So just double click on advanced and you'll be able to see all of the registry under advanced. So what you're going to do is on the right side of the advanced section, you're just going to right click new and the keyboard 32-bit value and create a new registry here. So you're just going to type in this enabled and start. After that, just hit enter and you're going to create a new registry. After that is done, what you're going to do is just double click on it and you're going to change the fit value. Just double click on the registry that we just created. After that, you're going to make this value data 0. After that is done, just click on OK. And your problem should probably be fixed. Restart your computer once. And therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.